Hello all, welcome to Read to Share. Today's story is a book called The Dinosaur with the Noisy Snore. Every night, Sid's kept awake by noises from next door. He hears a rumbling, grumbling sound, a huge, earth-trembling snore. One night, I've had enough, says Sid. He knocks on Rory's door. Rory's woken others too. They cry, "No more, no more." Rory looks down. Sid looks up. "Be quiet, please," Sid begs. "Just buy some earplugs." Rory groans. He shuffles back to bed. Rory feels bad when they've gone. Perhaps his friends are right. I ought to think of others too. He wants to put things right. Rory wanders out of town in search of an idea. He finds a hut, far from his friends. They won't hear me out here. He lumbers in and falls asleep. The long dark night ticks by. 3 greedy raptors wander past. "Let's steal the food," they cry. They climb inside to take the food. There's lots to steal for sure. Then comes a rumbling, grumbling sound, a huge, earth-trembling snore. "What was that?" one raptor croaks. "Perhaps a monster's near." "It sounds ginormous," wails his friends. "Quick, get out of here." They all run screaming past Sid's house. There's a panic in their eyes. Sid wakes up and looks outside. "What's going on?" he cries. "We'll leave the food that's in your hut. Your monster's fierce," they shout. "What's that? What monster?" wonders Sid. He goes to check it out. He takes the path down to the hut and opens up the door. There comes a rumbling, grumbling sound, a loud, familiar snore. When the new day comes around, Sid gives his friend a shake. "Oh no," says Rory, "not again. Did I keep you awake?" "No, you saved our food," says Sid. He tells his chum the story. Now a new sign's on the hut. "What monster?" wonders Rory. "Beware of the monster." "You're the monster," Sid replies. "Please sleep here every night. Your snore will scare off any thieves. They're sure to get a fright. And look, we've bought a bed for you that night just like before." Rory falls asleep and gives a rumbling, grumbling, shaking, quaking, huge, earth-trembling snore. The end. Thank you for listening. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.